Hi friends, in this video we'll talk on SSH connection failed with IO exception, Java IO exception, Java not found on hudson.slaves.SlaveComputer. So if you see these errors when you are making SSH connection between Jenkins Master and nodes, if you are seeing that Java not found on the node mission, in this video I'll provide the solution when you say these specific errors. When you are enabling the SSH connection between Jenkins Master and nodes. I am repeating that the exceptions are Java IO exception, Java not found. So basically these type of errors arise when Java is not installed properly on node missions. A node mission can be Mac mission or Windows missions also. So these are the errors. The system cannot find. So if you see this exception Java not found, install a Java 8 version on the agent. So I'll provide the solution step by step. Install the Java 8 version on the node mission. First, you have to install the Java 8 version on the node mission. Set the JDK and JRE path in the system properties environment variables, system variables under path. Set the path Java path. So you have to set the path for JDK and JRE. Here I have mentioned that one Java JDK and here JRE versions also. So JRE version you can keep both bin or library, both bin and library path. For JDK also you can provide the path. For Windows, if your node mission is Windows, make sure you install the Java from below location. So this is the download location for Windows. I'll provide this link in the video description also. And once Java is installed, check Java is installed by running the below command in the command prompt. The command prompt for Windows terminal, you can use terminal for Mac machines. So Java minus version or Java minus version. Here you can use anything. So here, so after I have installed, so I got that error. I mean Java is not installed. I mean Java not found that error. So I have installed and have set the path. After that, when I enter Java version, so it's showing the Java version. That means Java is successfully installed at your node machine. Once Java is once Java issue is resolved, then you can launch the agent or node again and test. You should see the SSH connection should be established or launching the agent should be a success. Yeah, this is the solution. If you see any Java not found errors when you are enabling SSH connection between Jenkins Master nodes. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel and also please like share the video also. You can also watch video on enabling SSH connection for Mac from Jenkins Master for more details.